Introducing the AquaVac 500 robotic pool cleaner from Hayward. The AquaVac 500 scrubs and vacuums your pool's floors, coves, walls, even the waterline with computer efficiency. Don't let the AquaVac 500's sleek, low-profile design fool you. This is one powerful yet energy-efficient pool cleaner. And it's a snap to clean thanks to a top access extra-large debris container and easy-to-clean cartridge elements. With a new integrated timer, you can select how frequently you'd like to clean your pool, every 24, 48, or 72 hours. This feature takes into account the volume of your pool, as well as the type of debris it's exposed to. The quick clean setting is ideal for spot cleaning. In just 90 minutes, the AquaVac 500 focuses on cleaning only the area of the floor where most of the debris is. You can also set your cleaner for full pool coverage. In the full pool mode, AquaVac 500 will clean your entire pool, including floors, walls, and waterline, in just 4 hours, conveniently shutting itself off at the end of its cleaning cycle. Once it's programmed, simply place your AquaVac 500 into the pool. The AquaVac 500's powerful dual scrubbing brushes loosen dirt, debris, and algae. Even fine debris like sand is no match for the AquaVac 500. An onboard microprocessor in the AquaVac 500 measures the pool's size and shape and calculates the most efficient cleaning path. The AquaVac 500 is fully automatic and self-contained, and it's also eco-friendly, using up to 94% less energy than most pressure cleaners. Because it operates independently from your pool's filtration system, the AquaVac 500 conserves water to reduce backwashing. The easy access container with removable cartridge elements allows for quick debris removal and cleanup. Simply remove the debris container and empty and rinse the cartridge elements with a garden hose. It's that easy. Recognized for its superior performance, convenience, and ability to maximize efficiency, AquaVac 500 is one of the most advanced robotic pool cleaners in the industry. Even the swivel cord has been thoughtfully designed to minimize tangling. Enjoy a crystal clear pool kept clean like never before with the AquaVac 500 by Hayward.